Hey coffee lovers, welcome back to Ivan Drinks Coffee. Today we will review the latest trendy coffee maker that has gained a fan base so big that there's a World Cup around it, the Aeropress. When I started diving into the world of coffee, I had read about the Aeropress many times, but I hadn't tasted any coffee from it yet. Then I was walking down the coffee aisle on a store and I stumbled upon it. I saw the $30 price tag and immediately bought it. Those are one of the best $30 I have ever spent. It consists of three parts: a cylinder, a filter holder, and a plunger, which are used to press the coffee water mixture through a filter. All the parts are made of polypropylene, making it last virtually forever. You can drop it as many times you want and it won't break. And also, it's very lightweight, making it the perfect travel coffee maker. With the Aeropress, you have total control over the brewing process. Things like coffee grind size, water temperature, speed of plunging, amount of stirrs, infusion time, and coffee to water ratio, among many others, will change the way your coffee turns out. Now we're gonna check the brewing process, but be sure to stick with me till the end of the video, where I'll show you a special twist on this machine. The first step of brewing with the Aeropress is to choose the right grind size. There is no general ideal grind size, but I like to use between medium and fine. The coffee grounds should be weighted out to ensure consistency and accuracy. So 15 grams of coffee for a 240 ml cup is a good starting point. Did you know that Alan Adler, creator of the Aeropress, was actually famous before inventing this marvelous machine? He actually holds over 40 patents in electronics, optics, and aerodynamics. His frisbee actually held the record for longest throw for over 15 years. If you want to know the perfect recipe for the Aeropress designed just for you, click the link on the description and get a customized recommendation from me. Next, the filter needs to be prepared. The Aeropress uses paper filters, and in the box you will have 300 of them. Once you place the filter in the filter holder and attach it to the cylinder, dampen it with some hot water. Now, add the coffee grounds and it's time to start brewing. The water temperature should be around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. To get there, put your kettle to boiling point and then let it rest for 30 seconds. Now slowly add the water until it reaches the number 4 mark. The coffee and water should be stirred together for about 10 seconds. Then the plunger should be inserted and pressed down slowly for about 20 to 30 seconds. The resulting cup of coffee is clean and flavorful, with a smooth body that highlights the unique characteristics of each bean. The disposal of the coffee grounds is very satisfying, producing a visually and audibly pleasing sensation that my OCD personality definitely loves. Because the Aeropress allows for such quick and easy brewing, it is a favorite among coffee professionals and home baristas alike. The Aeropress is a machine that is very prone to playing with many variables. There is a completely different way of making coffee with it that is my personal favorite, the inverted method. To try this out, you first insert half of the plunger into the cylinder. Through the other side, pour the same amount of coffee grounds and then slowly add the water. Now stir. Then place the filter into the filter holder, dampen it with some hot water and lock it into place. And finally, flip the machine on top of your mug and press. This will produce a more intense coffee with more body and less acidity. In terms of flexibility, customization, portability, and durability, the Aeropress is the king. It will be hard to produce the best cup of coffee in your first attempt though, so feel free to experiment. Remember to check out the link in the description to make this process easier and faster. If you want to keep on learning about the best budget-friendly coffee makers, be sure to check out this playlist and see you next time.